What's up, guys? So gonna make another quick video for you talking about IWE noise. So what that is integrated wheel bearings that engage and disengage full drive on these trucks. So what happens is you crank it up, it's in two-wheel drive. This solenoid pulls vacuum on these hubs, which actually takes and pulls the axle out of the hub to where it's not engaged. So it's supposed to be better for fuel, yada yada yada. If you get any kind of vacuum leak in that system, you'll start to get like a grinding noise, or like basically sound like you got something stuck in your brake pad. It'd be like shh going down the road. And that's usually means that either the diaphragm inside the IWE has been broken, or one of your vacuum lines is leaking. So they sell an IWE delete kit for like, I think it's like $175. And that basically eliminates the diaphragm and makes it where the axles spin constantly, just like on every other truck make and model. Ford is the only one that has the integrated hubs, I think, but it's, like I said, it's for fuel efficiency. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna show you exactly what the IWE system does, and then I'll show you exactly, what to unplug, all that kind of stuff. But first clip I'm gonna show you is gonna be with the IWE functioning, which is gonna pull the axle back to where the wheel free spins. Then I'm gonna unplug it, and I'm gonna show you what it does when the IWE is shut off to where the axle stays engaged. That way, you can put a visual with what I'm saying. A quick fix that's $0 instead of $175. I'm probably gonna leave it like this because I've been running it for about a week and a half now, no issues. My fuel mileage has not changed yet. I'm still getting, I think, 14.2. So until I start noticing a drastic change or anything like that, probably gonna leave it this way. As far as, this fix doesn't cause any check engine lights or anything to worry about. So what I'm gonna do is pop the hood, and I will show you real quick. So once you pop your hood, what you're gonna do is, so right here is your solenoid for your IWE setup. Like, there's the line going to this wheel, there's the line going to your engine vacuum, and then the other line goes all the way across the truck to the other side. So what this does is electronically opens the valve down here, which pulls vacuum off the engine to run these, to pull your axles back. So what I did, just took the power away from it to where now you crank it up, it has no signal, so it's not interfering with the vacuum for the engine, and the hubs are not pulling vacuum, so the axles stay connected to the wheels. And one question I've gotten so far is, does that mean your truck's in four-wheel drive? No. The front axle is going to be spinning with the tires all the way to the transfer case, and the transfer case is disengaged. So it's still two-wheel drive. It's not going to put any extra pressure on your drive line. All it is basically like any other Chevrolet or Dodge, whatever. Everything to the transfer case is spinning, and it's not connected to the transmission. And then once you want four-wheel drive, you just, on ours, on the F-150, you just flip the switch or turn the knob, it locks in the transfer case, you have four-wheel drive. So I'm gonna run it for a while, and I will let y'all know if it changes the fuel mileage. Like I said, so far it hasn't messed with anything, but I will keep y'all posted. So like I said, just another short little video. If you like it, subscribe. I'm gonna keep coming up with some stuff. Like I said, this is a budget build that today cost $0. So like, comment, subscribe, you got any questions, hit me up in the comments. I will answer them. And we'll catch you on the next one.